Umamin ang content creator at trans woman na si Lars Pacheco na 3 beses siyang nag-cheat bago siya nagdesisyon na tuldukan ang 7 taong relasyon nila ng long-time boyfriend na si Clyde Vivas. Sa video na in-upload niya sa kanyang Facebook, sinagot ni Lars ang samot-saring tanong at espekulosyon hinggil sa kanilang paghihiwalay. Anya, nais niyang tapusin ang lahat ng haka-haka. Ibinunyag ni Lars na unang nangyari ang pagtataksil na makipag-inuman siya sa isang kaibigan sa isang bar sa Makati. Ayon sa kanya, dahil sa labis na kalasingan, nauwi siya sa kama kasama ang isang Taiwanese national na nakilala niya sa parehong gabi. Pagkatapos ng insidenteng iyon, inamin ni Lars na nasundan pa ito. Ikalawa, nang makilala niya ang isang lalaki sa isang out-of-town trip. Nagsimula daw sa simpleng tinginan sa isang bar ang lahat, hanggang sa nagkapalitan sila ng number. Ikatlo, hindi pa detalyanong isinalaysay ni Lars sa kanyang video kung paano nangyari. Ngunit tiniyak niyang may 3 beses bago siya tuluyang nakipaghiwalay kay Clyde Vivas.
I'm doing this for my own peace, so I could move forward. So kagabi, I announced publicly that I ended up my relationship with Clyde. Hindi na kasi pwedeng magpatuloy yun. I cheated on him. Once, twice, thrice. So I decided to end it up. Last 3 days ago, all this time, he know that I'm being faithful and all. That, I really just wanted to end it. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ko nagawa yung mga nagawa ko. Hindi ko kilala yung sarili ko na those cheating that I did, I wouldn't say it's an accident. I chose to do it. I couldn't stand to be with Clyde. Ang dami nagsasabi, sayang yung 7 years. In love, yun ba yung dapat kong panghawakan yung tagal? Kaysa sa kung anong totoo kong nararamdaman ngayon. Hindi ko na kasi kayang suklian. Yung love na yun, na handa nang ibigay para sa akin. Ayoko nang maging unfair sa kanya. I really want to end this all the day. Lahat ng questions, lahat ng haka-haka. Kasi gusto kong matapos agad to. Like, kanino ka nag-cheat? Sino yung mga yan? So the first time, it was in Makati. We're drinking with a friend. Just the 2 of us. And then it's almost 6 a.m. in the morning. I was really drunk. And then there's this Taiwanese guy that joined in our table. And then I just woke up. Nakatabi ko na siya sa bed. And it happened because, of course, I chose it to happen. And then, nung nagising ako, he was about to leave because he needs to catch a flight. So that's the first one that I cheated on Clyde. And I acted like nothing happened. Sinundo niya pa ako, hinanap niya pa ako. And then the next one is I was working out of town. And then go to a bar. And there's this guy that keeps looking at me. And I look at him as well. And then it's just that we haven't got the chance to talk in that bar or go near each other. Just after that party, he messaged me and I was just like, out of nowhere, I don't know. Out of nowhere, I just gave my number. And then I told him na doon siya mag-contact because Clyde has access in my Instagram. So, after that, we really didn't get a chance to talk personally because we just looking at each other in the bar so far. And then, siguro isang buwan din na nag-uusap kami. And what made me really decide that I really need to let Clyde go is because of this guy. Because imagine, we don't exchange I love yous. We don't exchange intimate conversations every day for 1 month. It's just, good morning, saan ka na? Nakauwi na ako. You can just count the conversations that we have. And I don't know, I'm falling in love with that man. With that guy. Even, I didn't know when his birthday. I didn't know ilang taon na pala siya. I just fall in love with him. without talking. Personally, I mean, we didn't even have a phone call. And I don't know. That's the reason, that's the best. I mean, that's the huge part of the decision na nang ina na in love ako sa iba. Eh, hindi ko, sinasabi kasi proud ako. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano nangyari. Pero na-miss ko yung pakiramdam na kiligin. Na-miss ko yung pakiramdam na may magtatanong sa akin kung ano nangyari sa araw ko. Kung okay ba ako. Kung basta, I miss the feeling of being, important to someone. And the third one, and this is the worst, that I can somehow forgive myself. Nagpatid ako kay Glenn to meet someone. He's from Portugal. And yeah, it happened. And then that made the decision. If I still love him, I wouldn't do such things. I take full accountability. I know I did what I did. I'm not proud of it. And kung papatagalin ko pa relasyon namin, feeling ko, in the end, it will just be fucked up. It's my mistake. I cheated. I know. But I don't know why. Hindi ko alam kung naghahanap ba ako ng atensyon. Hindi ko alam kung ubos na ba yung kilig, ubos na ba yung... Hindi ko alam. And I'm saying this because I want to end the haka-haka and all. This is the answer coming straight from my mouth, not in any other people's mouth. This is what happened.